Non-uniform acceleration definition. A body has a non-uniform acceleration. Non-uniform acceleration. If its velocity increases, by unequal amounts, in equal interval of time, 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 equal interval of time. Example. Example.
1 minute.
Okay. Example. A movement of a car. A movement of a car. Example. A movement of a car on a crowded city road. A movement of a car on a crowded city road. That's all. Crowded city road. Okay, da? Sir, no? All of you. So this is when the car is moving in a crowded city road, few times the velocity increases, few times velocity decreases.
Can you say it?
Yeah, the movement of a car on a crowded city road. That's all. A movement of a car on a crowded city road. A movement of a car on a crowded city road. That's all. Now graph. Let us see the graph now. How the graph will be present means. So x-axis, y-axis. Again, hoorah. What is the x-axis? Always.
Time.
And y-axis?
Velocity.
Velocity. So it is curved. Always remember, a non-uniform acceleration is a curved line. This is the non-uniform acceleration. Is it understand? So the velocity time graph for a body, velocity time graph for a body having a non-uniform acceleration is a curved line. That's all. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Now finish it. Draw. All of you draw.
Return, sir.
Okay, now opposite to this non-uniform acceleration over. Who will be opposite? Non-uniform?
Uniform acceleration.
Hey, non-uniform? Non-uniform retardation. Non-uniform retardation. Non-uniform retardation. See, no textbook will give this all. They will give only acceleration. We should imagine everything. Then that is why, but my children should not face any problem. So that only I am teaching everything slowly. Remember, understanding, Amma? So that is, remember. So non-uniform retardation, all of you write. Retardation. So retardation, what is another name, sir? Retardation also called as?
Decrease uniform.
Decreasing de-acceleration. Understanding? De-acceleration or negative acceleration. Are negative, positive, I have taught you correct, right?
Sir, can't understand.
Retardation also we can call it as de-acceleration or negative acceleration. Names, Amma. Just now I have told you correct positive acceleration, negative acceleration. Today I have taught that only correct beginning. Have you remembered starting today I have taught that only correct? Positive acceleration, negative acceleration and zero acceleration.
Yes, sir.
That negative acceleration is known as what? Retardation. Understood? Now, non-uniform retardation. Non-uniform retardation means what? Velocity decreases by unequal amounts. That's all. Nothing is there, right? A body has a non-uniform retardation. 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 Vendra, retardation. If its velocity decreases, if its velocity decreases by unequal amounts in equal interval of time, unequal amounts in equal interval of time, Samya, you understand? Samya, Manya, Laksha?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
so what is the velocity time graph? Velocity time graph, again, this is decreasing. Decreasing means how it will come. So this is the time axis and this is the velocity axis. So what will happen? Curve will come like this. This is the non-uniform retardation. Non-uniform retardation. That's all. Write it. Non-uniform retardation. Is it okay, da?
Okay.
Sorry, da. This graph you can draw like this. This is non-uniform retardation. This is correct one. This is wrong, right? You write like this. Sorry. This is non-uniform retardation. Increasing like this, decreasing like this. Non-uniform retardation. Any doubt, anybody? Now, down you remember.
No, sir.
Now you keep heading note and you write retardation, also known as what? Retardation, also known as, understanding, or we can call it as deacceleration. Spelling is DECE. Understanding? LERATION, deacceleration, or also we can call it as negative acceleration. Negative acceleration. All are same. Note, you keep it and make a box for it. I already taught you what is negative acceleration. Yes or no? Yes or no, ma? So,
Yes, sir.
formula won't change. That is already we have solved example also. Everything is same exactly. That you have to remember it. So this is all about the uniform and non-uniform acceleration and retardation. So if you have any doubt, you ask me, anybody. Having doubt? Till here you complete it. So if you complete this for today's class, the last concept I will say, we will end the class. That's all. Do it.
Completed, sir.
Now, have you completed, everybody? Are you understanding? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Manish?
Sir.
Now the last concept which we are going to do is, this is related to the mathematics, very simple concept. It's not there. Nothing is there. Already I have taught this, but once again I am saying average velocity. What is the average velocity formula? Average velocity. Last concept we are studying. Very simple, nothing is there. Keep heading average velocity. Already we have studied, but I don't know if people remember or not. Average velocity. For calculating average speed and average velocity, I have already taught you, man. But again, your people are very silent. I don't know
Total
why.
distance by total time.
What am I?
Total distance by total time.
That is there. Now you have see average velocity means like a arithmetic mean. We are taking. You have two velocities divided by 2. If you do, that is your average velocity. That's all. So average velocity means, remember, I will say average velocity. Average velocity means, remember, suppose if we'll take, if the velocity of a body is always changing continuously, understand, but changing at a uniform rate, you remember. See, if it is changing randomly, then we can say that is total distance divided by total time taken. That is give you average velocity. But if your body is traveling uniform change, means the velocity changing at uniform rate. Remember, this is the most important thing. So what Laksha said is for understanding general thing. If velocity is drastically increasing, then what is the average velocity? Means the total distance divided by total time taken. Suppose if a body velocity is changing at uniform rate means that in the sense of what? The acceleration is uniform. Acceleration is what, Ra? Acceleration is uniform. Then the average velocity is the understanding given by the arithmetic mean. That's all. So we can calculate if the body is traveling with uniform acceleration or uniform rate, the velocity changing at a uniform rate. Velocity changes at a uniform rate, then average velocity is given by the arithmetic mean of the initial and final velocity of a given period of time. That's all. Initial and final velocity of a given period of time. That's all. So arithmetic mean it is. So average velocity is equals to initial velocity plus final velocity. Initial velocity plus final velocity divided by, we have two velocities, so by 2. That's all. Arithmetic mean. So average velocity is equals to u plus v divided by 2. This is only known as average velocity. When the body is traveling, understanding, at uniform acceleration or velocity changes at a uniform rate, then average velocity is equals to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. That's all. Any doubt, anybody?
Sir, can't understand the definition.
Remember, suppose if the body is changing, for example, you see, if the body is changing initially 10 meters per 1 hour, 10 kilometers per 1 hour, next 20 kilometers per half an hour, understanding, next 50 kilometers per 2 hours, like that if the body is traveling, then what is the average velocity we have studied, Ra? What is the average velocity we have studied? Sum of the total distance divided by sum of the total time, which will give you the total average velocity. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is. Now you tell me, here the distance, speed is uniform or means uniform rate or non-uniform rate? Means it is a uniform acceleration or non-uniform acceleration? Uniform or non-uniform acceleration here. Speed, you observe, man, distance every time varies. Yes or no? So every time varies means what? Non-uniform acceleration.
Non-uniform.
Yes or no? So when the non-uniform acceleration, then we can calculate, understand, total distance divided by total time taken. Understand? Suppose, but now in this case, what is the average velocities? When the body is moving with a uniform acceleration means in the sense of, like, suppose first the acceleration is 10 meter per second square, next the acceleration is 20 meter per second square, understand, next the velocity is 30 meter per second square, now next the acceleration is 40 meter per second square. Now what is the average velocity? Or else you can take velocity only you take it, because velocity only will give you acceleration, correct? And this is the velocity and time period is equals to, let me take 10 seconds. Now here also 10 seconds, here also 10 seconds, here also 10 seconds. Now velocity is changing at uniform rate. Is it accepted or not? Will you accept or not? Velocity is changing at uniform rate. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So at this case,
Yes.
at my uniform rate only, you observe. At this case, yes or no? Check it. Every time 10, 10, 10, velocity is increasing by 10 meter per second. Time is also 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Is it a uniform rate or not?
Uniform rate.
Uniform
Uniform
rate.
rate.
At this situation, average velocity means what we people will do? Total distance divided by total time taken, we will do it. Is it correct or not? Basically. But here we no need to do like that. Understand? Just we will take, when the velocity changes at a uniform rate, then We will take any two velocities at a particular time period. This velocity and this velocity you take it, or this velocity you take it, divided by 2 if you'll do. Initial velocity and final velocity divided by 2 if you'll do, you will get the same average velocity. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
That is only called as average velocity when uniform acceleration. Formula is this one. Average velocity when it is non-uniform acceleration, then we can say that total distance divided by total time taken. Are you people understand or not?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, write it. That is the thing. Definition, you write it. If the velocity of a body is, always changing, if the velocity of a body is always changing, but changing at a uniform rate, bracket what you will write, acceleration is uniform, bracket what you will write, acceleration is uniform, but changing at a uniform rate, bracket you can write acceleration is uniform, comma, then the average velocity is, given by the, arithmetic mean of the initial velocity, and final velocity, for a given period of time, full stop, then you can write this one. Average velocity is equals to, write this one first, don't write directly this one, Ra. Average velocity is equals to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. So R you can write, bar indicate average velocity. Remember that now onwards. V above bar indicates average velocity. Note it down. That is. So R you can write, understanding, average velocity is equals to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. That's all. You can make a box. Any doubt, anybody?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So you remember, V indicates what? V indicates velocity or final velocity. Understanding? But V bar indicates what? Average velocity.
Average velocity.
That is, you should remember. Difference. To make the difference, we are keeping that. Okay? But you remember, in this chapter, so many places, instead of speed, I will use velocity. Or else instead of velocity, I will use speed. So both the mean what? Both they are having different, but you remember speed is more common term in our everyday language. So that instead of speed, if I use a velocity, or velocity instead of velocity, I will use speed. Both you take it as a same. You people understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because usually we people will use a common language, so everyday life we will use merrily, we will use a speed word. Is it correct or not? Velocity we will use very rarely only. We will use casually also, will use only speed. Yes or no? That is the
Yes,
reason.
sir.
So both in the chapter, everywhere in the education, speed or velocity, particularly they will mention velocity. If not, speed or velocity both are same. That's all. For your 9th class, speed or velocity both same.
Okay, sir.
That's all. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.